Marvelous, na name that for the pikin. E get na 5 years. We hear say comot na for Compina for go chop Christmas from Bangam for place wey they call am say Kumbo. Na for that side, so we accident sesep e carry that pikin e head. This early morning time from Banga as we e be one crossroads na Ngongo to sesep e jam. They blame na some sansan wey they pack am for corner road say na im make that accident from Banga for happen this early morning time. We go talk that one tori dey for that side. Na so too we go take una we for inside Galim. I be talk for now. For morning time, palava some shoot wey happen for the yesterday night for inside some bar. As we hear na some 22-year-old boy wey dey shoot am, and on top that one person today wey dey shoot him wey he get caught. He dey na for on top hospital bed. They blame na nye for that side. So for Galim, say na one of the nye man wey he do that kind of work yesterday for night. Inside tori too for this afternoon for people them wey they no be sabi as we big day e pass from number 24 so to number 25 day for morning time. How the thing e be happen for inside Douala here. This afternoon we go tell una the kind of thing the way they be pass overnight. So to number 25 day we will be the glad at Christmas. We go pass for Bonapriso where they catch na boy wey be one drag phone for person in hand. We go take una to go for side for Yupwe when na some paddy man where they be the fight on top some woman where they chook it with a knife. We go to for side where they call am say Des Eglises now for inside Douala yes on quarter when na some man he come out inside Obej, he want come out for outside. He no see Okada plus Besenge, Valley Besenge when na some thief boy them with collars we will be catch them for early morning time. So it be then all round as will be the work for see as we Douala it be enter for number 25 day. All this story them plus other one una go take time for she don't look as we Christmas every day for internally displaced people them for Loom and Jombe and even Konsamba how the thing it be happen. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say pussy wey e deny for check. I say pussy wey e dey check na how way tomorrow e go dem e no go ever fit for cash arata wey dey with belle. They say pussy wey e dey check na how tomorrow day e no go ever fit for cash arata wey e dey with belle. Na Dankot Denko e send we big part talk. Now we come be for Facebook. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Happy Boxing Day. Happy Boxing Day for all man for outside. They will sabi say, oh man, some they show so remain for house, other one they get mind. They don't go work, but anyhow, we today for work, and now we work all the do am just now for talk as we tori they continue for happen. We go start with this one where happen from Banga for this early morning time for around 8 o'clock. We dey for on top tori house here with the knack tori for this side. Now with this accident. It happened for side where they call am say Kumbe. Now for Mbanga as we tori enter we hear plenty cry. It be dey country people them when you see people that they cry plenty. That one sabi say that die or the accident it don't carry one or two people them head it go with them. Mami say we this am heart in the hotty for Sika Palava say pikin for 5 years where they call am say marvelous it dies on kind of what time this early morning time for that side. So from Banga where it be one crossroads as we tori enter for we ear. Now so to Ketu they be dey one time even near them for inside office for big commander Bebe Terry all them be there for ground for this accident way pass so they this morning time. As so we hear now some picking for 5 years where they call am marvelous. He come out for Compina. It be the chop Christmas for that side. Now the die body that where moto it can pass it jam him. Plenty people them they blame this accident now for that sand where they park am for corner road. That sand they talk saying that the number 4 case for accident where they happen since where it dey so they park that sand for days. So it been a big problem for people them for inside Banga side this morning time where they wake up now with a palava for cry after where they be chop Christmas yesterday with this 5-year-old boy. As we talk now for Compina come out a can she done from Banga side for enjoy Christmas. After Christmas this morning time he die. Make we hear wait to some mami sese for that side from Bangam. It tell we palava for this accident. It be the talk for Gaston Masso.
So, because I say motor no the see play where you go on. Because you say where you work and food, you know the see play where you go on. Number 2 time where this answer the main accident, with the main accident. So for this the non grown with this for so now so the man don't go down down grow. Now it make people dance so.
And just so sabi, as so talk the Sansan with the pack am for corner road. Now we all man the blame am. We here to wait to another person to for accident place. He talk for we.
Mr. Sabi driver, me account for yesterday. The men are small, so I jump on Okada man for it. So they fall for each other Sansan. And at number 3 time where I see Okada when we fall for it. We don't carry people for your back. Camion they transfer for your back. You want run, they enter for that man for bicycle. Now so another one for that big camion. We jump that.
And as soon as sabi this accident, Nadan Gongoro na the CM so also the talk commandant for that side for Banga, where they call it say Bebe, it already start for make investigate and driver says we make the accident. He do them just now we get chance for talk with that driver, we make the accident. It would get your own chapter for Terry for this palaver.
Go easy. One I don't see the picking, we run traverse. I don't run with that camion. So that Sansan we don't trump. I don't do anything. Why not feel? I not feel and it don't blockade that motor. We picking don't come room for that motor. That's all. I don't know what I tell you because me I get picking. I not feel come off from my house for come keep picking for route.
Yes, now driver that for Dan Gongoro we make that accident from Banga today. So as we talk. So just now the Pekin they don't keep on for a co-house. As we driver says it help for talk on top this palaver for side from Banga side. We go take now go for this other one way happen now for Galim now for inside the west region now for that side so for Bambutos as we Tori enter for we here just for before that place where people they turn up now for day we were what thing happen this bar with the call am say Rezoba for Galim. As well people they be enjoy their big day yesterday. They talk say some small fights it be happen. One time they say some near to it come for them. Now so if I shoot for up. After I finish shoot for up, they no sabi way to it happen before bullet. It come out. Now the bullet that way it touch some 22-year-old boy for that side so for Galim. One time Padiman is sleep straight on top that palava. Sabi say this near man plenty for inside Galim. They talk say na good man. They no sabi true wait we really pass for hate yesterday where he shoot gun for on top man skin. Sabi say apart from person shoot time we get even case for people then so they be shoot them but they never die. We hear say at least one person will take and go for hospital. We will go look it small time. We now one of the cases that for people then so they be shoot and so now the places where that it happen. Now this other combination where they be shoot it to for foot where it they just now for hospital bed. So yesterday it be war for side where they call am say Galim now for west region where this one it happen and they talk say na some year no man never sabi wait it be really pass but all people that they talk say the nye man na man where they so it been a good person and they no sabi say the kind of thing if he come out na from me now so too we be go we try for go here wait way near them for that side for Galim they go fit for talk they tell we say the thing already pass they no sabi wait again they get for talk and they no sabi waiting where it be really be worried there can be where it do that kind of work. Even LDO, he don't talk on top the palaver and they don't talk say they go continue for really make investigate for sabi waiting. He really pass before that near man say no go member for shoot gun for up. He instead take the gun, he shoot him now for on top person in skin. So 22-year-old man way a boy where they call it say Rodrigue now he die. We hear say left one pikin and woman for back and so see him another one person he dey for on top hospital bed when a so for Sikada shooting where it happened for Rezoba for that side so for Galim yesterday as well people they be the chop at Christmas. We will go for compound 2 for this Rodrick this early afternoon. As we Tori said they happen, we go for them. It then a big cry where they happen for them. Now the 22-year-old boy that we they saw the shooting yesterday for that side, so for Galim. As we talk now small fight will be they happen, but we hear say before that fight won't even end, we get to them. They be already land for the place, so take place if be don't quiet before near SSF it come for the near one come we place on quiet and all people them they surprise. Why it be get for common gun? So Rodrick, one of the CSO, 22-year-old, now we don't die, 11 a family for the cry for that side, so for Galim since yesterday, but this one at this afternoon we will just turn back for inside their own family compound where plenty cry it happen for them, and then say they beg say make our big people them they try for make investigate and even give Kasingo for that man where he do that kind of mistake where he shoot gun for person where he no be get gun for his skin. So people then say they crime on top this small pikin 22 years, even though as we don't born one pikin for back, but na BB loss with the family for Rodrick say they get papa they cry, mommy they cry, na just so terry the kind of thing way he did for back. So Rodrick he die body, we hear say they for hospital co-house for that side, so from Buddha as we mommy they continue for cry die with the shooting yesterday for that side, so for Galim. We go left that chapter for inside the Galim. We go talk now palava for fire. Sabi say as we Christmas will be the chop Christmas. One day they no be the get plenty work where they work now for chop Christmas. For this side, so for inside Douala here. Place where they call them say Nouvelle Route Bessenger. Now some place where they work for them. If you talk say carpenter workshop, if you no make mistake. Yes, now the carpenter workshop say we catch fire yesterday. So you make them as well people they be prepare for chop their chop for morning time. Army rescue people them for Colonel Michaela and even Captain Afu and see they with them. They know the guest sleep for eye. They be there for ground for see as well they go lost fire for inside this workplace where catch fire for early morning time for Christmas a day. Sabi say all machine them for inside the place, burn, cargo them for inside the burn, but no one person be get caught for inside this accident or this fire way it pass for place where they call them say Nouvelle Route Bessenger. So as soon as they see them, now the machine then that way they use and work way or then they catch fire for lucky say no one person be there inside, no man too he never sabi sote now waiting where it cause this fire where it catch for place where they call them say Nouvelle Route Bessenger for inside Douala here. This afternoon, na fire 2 don't catch for that side where they call them say Bekoko, country people them, as we Tori enter for we ear. Now this kind of bush burning, yes, place where they be the burn bush, as well they be the burn bush, firework as well they go burn a different money house for that side, so for inside Bekoko, as we Tori enter we ear. Army rescue people then say they be there one time, for see as well they go look at that fire, first the fire where they be put on for bush, where catch so they go burn house, now where they be first struggle for see as where they go lost am before they start check as where they go lost even the side with the house it be don't burn. So it be then a fire way surprise people them they be the bomb bush, but this bush fire bush burning as we talk it last end now for on top some house for that side, so for Bekoko. This one it happen now just this afternoon as we with the talk for this side. We go finish chapter for fire just now. Country people them we go take una go see as we internally displaced people them for Njombe and Lum. They be enjoy Christmas 90s. Now one of the house in this for internally displaced will enter. In them too they be the chop, and when you see granuts, you the just suspecting and dule. They be get for make am or maybe some soup where granite must to be inside. So now one of the IDP mammy then this will enter and they be start the day now with a prayer for beg Papa God, say make Papa God as well the day today, so make he show them good waiting, good favor for them before so that all thing go happen. After that one we enter now for inside church, for church side sabi say be then a day where all man be the glad say Papa God the pikin they don't born am, and a day two way all man be get forgive someone they be give baptized and all kind of thing them. So church it be happen better and they pray for peace, say make it turn back inside Cameroon as so turn from Alum and Jombe for see as well this we own sister them for internally displaced people them one day they run come up for Northwest and Southwest they be the chop Christmas for that side, so for Jombe and even for Lum. We go here waiting where these people that say by the talk. We will fair yes from one church mami where it be the talk for Jackie Nomolo.
Beg Papa yes to say how we be glad today. For this we on side, we be glad for all of side, all of people then they suffer. We beg say he come, he put peace for all these people where then they suffer. Because for all a year that suffer is finished, only we enter for this glad for today where we Papa Jesus he don't born.
Yes, after we leave that Mami for side for Njombe, we hear one of his sister and even some palm with the sister being an IDP. He come up for Norway side for Fundong and go here part where they look at them for inside the Mongo division. They all them they be the talk to so for Jackie Nomolo.
Come village. Obamenda. You don't come for here. It no be easy for we. It no be easy for we because we don't come for here for inside strike. Then we manage. Save money for buy thing for picking for play. Even for Christmas, day. So we just manage for see whether the day go pass her. So we no get something. May God help we and even help people then like we so. People then why they don't go be for places then like we so. So now we pray.
If we have and they stay firm, Papa, we stay with firm. They replace so animal wake up salon brother. If you get say one cup water or drink ensemble. If you get one banana or chop ensemble. I tell you say one long horse the day now 60 people in the day for that one long horse. I let see and so they humble me for her because 60 people will be one long horse and me to an organ horse. Now all two will get down that. They humble me for her. So I beg governor say, God the people, governor the fella. Say may try a lost the fire we always burn for fire. Because normal way they have for Cameroon.
I will hear from that two people then. We'll be talked to for one of the father then. We'll be turned for church, for side for Penja, for Njombe and for Lum. Make we hear this father, he tell we wait till they be the glad for Christmas Day we passed yesterday.
Christmas is light. People then where they be working inside darkness, then we don't see light. And we like Cameroonian, we dey like that people then where they work for inside darkness. Our country no fine. Division, war, see people then for northwest and southwest, they not fit at home. They are here with us and we manage with them. And we hope say
yes, we go left chapter for that side. We take on a left with Sabi, as I talk for now. For people that way they know about Sabi, wait till it happen for Douala, 24 nights, so take for 25 days. Sabi say Tori house, or we work people that will be there outside for try for Teluna, wait till it be happen for town. Part 1, we go enter for inside delegation for national, for general security. Now for inside Douala here, now for this way the one of the head them for inside that delegation, it be there with the people them, all the people that you see them, all the K2 that you see them for corner. Now them that, where they be prepare them, give them last minute instruction palava how we they get for Tonton for town for Douala for check say make no man no bring disorder as we people then say they be glad for inside the number 24 day for inside this very month as we see them now all them that and according to it the big man talk now the best get to them that where they be there for inside Douala here where they gather all them give them instruction. If you see big people them commissioner like Commissioner Mefure and other big commissioner the way they be there inside for tell we say this so true na the best to them that for now and na for sika wider win na them say they be get operation keep Douala shine your eye for number 24 so take 25 day for inside this month. So now for them all things starts country people them and after we come out for that Donga men where they be give last minute talk now so to get first call. Our first call it be there now for that side for Bonapriso for La Falaise. Now for they will land for opposite La Falaise or Bonapriso. For that side now some paddyman, some young boy where they so be there on top Okada. If you want drag telephone for different money back, you know sabi say K to them no be na all them they be wear uniform that night so you get someone that they be wear color clothes, where them too they be the tonton for some place them. So for before La Falaise, now where they catch one of these boy them, where it be done the time some other boy the way one can drag phone for their pocket. One time, one land for them, where the other to them for that side, one day they be wear clothes, they be already catch the young man where he want drag a try for drag phone. The man with the white clothes, now where they be one drag his phone before he halam, you know, sabi say only for a corner, to them say they be dead, even as they no be wear clothes for their skin. So now the first action first one where it be happen for inside the Douala here for that night. Now so to they pick this one na balok, sabi say all day no be na ginger or all day no be na Christmas, as so sabi na the boy that where he she done for ground, where it be the struggle for drag phone, it no be sabi say only for a corner, you be get uniform people there, they no wear clothes. So one time they put his handcuff for ground, make it she done, then he start for talk, wait till we get for talk. So it be then at the first catch for that night, as well be the tonton for see as well security. It must today for inside Douala here. So as well the catch sabi say any man, any of the person who meet up any of the person the way this team it be meet up one time after they catch you, they take you direct now for the police station where it just dey for corner. So now it then that now the back that and even issue where it dey so it be there for on top of Okada, it want drag phone for run with them. Then the picky now for Bona Priso that now the first place that where will be cash a person, they be cash person for night for 24 as we will be the tonton for inside a Douala for see as we place it the pass for number 24 day. We come up for Bona Priso. After we come up for Bona Priso side, now for Yupwe we be land again. So for that night. Now just for talk for now say tin them they be the happen for inside Douala. You know be for Sabi. If we no talk for now for Yupwe, we be get for enter right for inside the street. We the dark but we follow. Sabi say as we ketu then say the day all thing be show same man it be get security. So as we ketu the enter all man be fear. All man Sabi says true something it happen and something must to happen. As well the worker so small will be the go with the ketu them now for some boy a house. This boy as well to re-enter with ear he don't the chop soya with some other man on top of woman plenty time they don't the chop soya as well to re-enter for with ear. But that night for 24 that boy common knife if one chook that man if you don't even give some small call them. So as well we ketu them here one time the land sabi say even as well get ketu them for different side inside Douala. The ketu then set the land for you poem as well the land the team will be the tonton na their own work now for cash take you one time for ketu them office one time. So will be the enter right for inside Bouger only for see as we go cash that boy they be dey them 3 as we tori enter we here they be dey them 3 will be get for cash them. So for that night we they try for chook knife for some other man for sika palava for woman as well the waka be then a long waka enter for inside kate so the man food be hot so the time no dey as well as sabi e be then a true work for ketu them even woman say be dey inside the time around they no left woman for back woman to be dey for inside all man e be get for work 24 nights so the next day. So waka last we go pick this boy when na SSF a common knife for chook different person for sika palava for woman. See una see the construct una see how people they enter only for go cash person now they hold this will pass they will go for backside as well land for backside the boy he be there with the dog. Yes now for him as well as the see him the boy be there with the dog for that side we no tell me he don't surely left a losing dog for say make people they cash him but last the dog says will be last pick all them as well enter they show it for backside day now for backside way last we go pick them for sika say he be one run. So last the ketu then says they be pick this boy for back a house now the man to that way they be chook him now the boy that with a dog way he be one level for say make I follow ketu them but they tell say make you hold that dog he hold the dog then they hold he as well the whole dog they take it all them too they come out they say he must to tie the dog. So we take all them with the dog he wear clothes we take he we come out there we go meet up the other combi them where they be join hand for chook knife for different person now for inside a Yupwe where all do I be the happen account to people them just for talk for now say if you be check say Douala be quiet you know be quiet now the other combi that where they drag it to so now the man that where they be one chook chuki with a knife wey dey even give small cut for his skin. Una go see am small time as wey the man say go comot e close e dey show we say see how wey dey chook me na the knife that wey dey chook me for Sika Palava woman. Na so another knife that something wey dey chuki, then another one as wey dey see am. So na the chuking that wey e happen. All them they take them for number 1 district police for inside Yupwe as wey una see them. So na just so the thing e be pass for night. When we will come up for Yupwe, another thing will be meet up na for inside place where they call am say Deux Églises, just for Sawe Orthodox Church e dey for that side. Sabi say all man eye e dey smell and all my eye dey shine. They kind of night no be na night for joke at all. When you dey turn your eye then say they dey shine. So as we land for inside place where they call am say Deux Églises one time na for here where motor e stop. As we the motor stop na for outside we enter na for this street. E be the show say something e be dey happen for the place for corner Orthodox Church. As so the waka reach, man wanna sell with red clothes. E too e be comot for go enjoy. E wan comot for outside. Okada don disappear. Who say Okada go? E no get answer. So all man wey be there for day, they pick all man. Whether e be get answer for you get him for talk, you no get him for talk. They gather all man for day. Plus the man say wey own Okada be lost, so he don't go enjoy for inside Obej. They put all them now for back moto direction. Now for the nearest Ketu them office where be there for corner for Deux Églises where they carry all them go keep am. Now for there where they go start for explain whether na me at na you take am, you see person you take am, or you know see person you take am. So as where they gather all them, so for that side for corner Deux Églises, for corner a place so for inside Deux Églises, will be take them one time go now for Ketu them office. Sabi say the operation it be then for say cash go level for Ketu them office. Now for they will investigate go continue. You wear your hand it clean, you go come out. You wear your hand no clean, you remain for inside. So as well the cash, they just go hit them one time for that side. That one na case we will be meet up for Deux Églises for corner Orthodox Church. Now the last one will meet up now for early morning time for Valley Besengeye, just for corner Equinox Story House. This boy them they be there with the collars and they be done the thief people them all night. So we meet up them now for early morning time. We will be the turn back from Bonaberry side. Yes, we'll be the turn back that time. We will meet up the boy them, and on top that their Okada with them they be get some fat collars where they don't use them thief people them for that side. So for inside Besengem. So team where it be the calm down. They be don't fair here say they be the pass. They be run go. But after they come out again for can see as well they get for continue their thieving. But they no sabi say the team says where they outside the work for say make people the day fine for enjoy their big day the day for outside. So now for Besenge side there for Valley Besenge will meet up with this one them. Sabi say they be even shoot one self with the foot. They be shoot one for a foot. Country people them as we at Tori enter with EM. They shoot one for a foot with a plastic bullet. Yes, now that rubber bullet. As we they meet up all them. No wasting time at all. They put them in a handcuff so that they no go fit for wrong go no place. As soon as they see them, do one them now one day they no be shoot them for hand, but they be day outside for work. Now their collars that where they see them so now the collars that way they be use them for thief for night for this side. So for inside the Besengem they say they be don't thief plenty people them before they be one come meet them. So now the collars that where they be use them on top that Okada for thief people them. So as well meet up them one time now so to they tie them carry them go now for inside Ketu them office. One way he own one way he foot they be shooty foot they take you one time go for that side. So for hospital for La Kentini now for the way they go look at it why they go come out again take it go for inside Ketu them office. So now just so the night be them for inside Douala here 24 so 25 day as we una see am. Manadin, you don't jump someone this thing just for sabi say all these Ketu people them work. The Ketu people them work. It no be the happen so we no be being they no be being a magician for sabi say now for years something they happen. Now the places where all thing be the pass inside this office. As well any man they thief any man sabi say one time now for office here they call when they call for office people there they take their telephone they go take them then they pass message the one go talk say now for here the one don't happen neighbor the own way she done for here now he own work for the call people they now start send them they keep to there the day outside. As well see big man turn up so for me do now the man for the other side he take call for any man where they don't thiefy as soon as they see him he go take paper he can't get out demand now he send them for the other people then. So na just so the work be dey happen. Na why that way be see am, we be sabi all corner where e dey so thief e dey pass or some attack e dey happen inside Douala here the whole Christmas night. So take Christmas sesep. So na the work that way Tori House e be dey do am just for talk say even Ketu den sesep they be day up, no man e no be sleep the whole Christmas as we una see am. Manadin, maybe before we go from Konsamba, if you find me that one for hospital, sabi so we be go to for hospital for Lakentini hospital sesep e be get e own case them. We be enter for Lakentini hospital site for tell una say we be day all corner, we no be sleep, we no be sleep at all. Now just for sake say we wan make una too for sabi say if una dey sleep, tin them they dey happen for outside. So we go to for hospital for Lakentini side. That will be land for Lakentini. We be getting only 7 cases as the doctor says for that side. He tell we doctor way now be the look out sick people them. We be enter, we meet up plenty of them where they should down for corner. We at least 7 sick people them. We will meet up them. One day in an accident, one day in a fear for sick say they don't attack. So you na see and say book they be they busy. All doctor them book it be they open for tell we say tin them. They be they happen for inside Lakentini. Now that we come be that where they be shooting for a foot where it too it be they part of that people there they be one thief. Then one other corner will meet up so na the CM will meet up na people there they don't get accident for sika the big day where they bring them inside hospital and someone them where it dey so na only for sika fear for sika say they attack 1 or 2 other person where they be the work out so inside the hospitals doctor then say they no be rest for Lakentini number 24 day breaking number 25 day for inside Douala here just for talk when I say we no be rest for no place all corner will be there just for say make all man is sabiti way the pass for inside a country here for talk say Douala it no be over hot it be quiet but all man the prayer say number 31 day for this moon it go be quiet past the one will meet up for inside number 24 day na just so the thing be pass for Douala here the whole night for you will no be sabi na just so Douala be day 24 so 25. Now we go from Konsamba side for talk say from Konsamba before we finish Konsamba side day just for tell we say people them from Konsamba too they be enjoy their own Christmas particularly from Konsamba 1 their own side it be dinner for corner stick sabi say for the first time Konsamba they no be don't ever get the kind of glad from Konsamba 1 where they get decoration them so it be dinner place where people then say they be they take their photo them even Oga Mayor for that side and near them all man be there outside for try for look as way number 24 breaking 25 day for that side so from Konsamba 1 it be get for day so it be then one innovation where people them from Konsamba 1 they no be there ever see am and plenty of them they glad too with Oga Mayor for the kind decoration them sabi say now only for Douala we they get the kind of thing them but it don't enter to from Konsamba so people they be take opportunity for take photo one day they take selfie now trench thing and new thing where it enter for inside Konsamba 1 a council area for under Mongo division. We don't finish. Maybe we talk this mommy where it don't lost. Mommy name na Njukem Mafo Marie and the talk say it dey so. He come out, he lost for number 14 day for December moon for place where they call him say Buddha. They talk say now for that side for Bambutus and Mami he get 56 years old age he get 56 years and they say the Mami hate he no tana fine as we paper we day for we before they talk for him. They say the Mami is sabi for talk country talk for Bangam and he been a person way in no be in the here. So if you feel help Oga Kaze Nodi Allen he do the announce say this is system it don't disappear. So if you see that technically number then for before tele 67 not 891 193 69 not 461 267 672 785 287 or 675 672 not 59 a number than that where if you take them for call a family or you call even Oga Kaze Mopim where he don't lost this his sister he the talk say dash he the wait any man where he go fit for help for find his sister and call them abe call but no call for ask money for sika say asabi say place it wrong but just call if you don't see the sister they the beg na beg Monsieur Kaze Nodi Allen déclare la disparition de sa sœur la nommée Njukem Mafo Marie le 14 décembre 2019 dans l'arrondissement de Bouddha, département de Bamboutous. Elle est âgée de 56 ans, elle ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés physiques et mentales. Elle s'exprime en langue Bangam, elle est sous mouet. Monsieur Kazé prie toute personne qui hébergerait sa sœur de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 670-895-690-672-059. Now the story that for this afternoon, 8 o'clock, we go turn back. Big thank you for Pharrell. We say thank you to for Malice, Nadine, and even Ledoux. Make una all am tight, and we talk happy birthday for Robert Mukube when we come before house, and we say come good, welcome for Nobby Brown for Inside Cameroon.